I'm fast. I'm speak as fast. I'm speak as big. Superman. Alright, so guys, we are near the park. However, we decided to go to Yamuna Bank instead of the park because it's been a while that I haven't visited this Yamuna Bank, like more than 2 years. This is my first time after 2 years, and summer it's already here, I would say. So all this grasses become so green, trees become so green. You know, that's the only reason we came to visit, to see the beautiful Yamuna Bank. And as of this day, it's pretty beautiful, awesome. The view is awesome. However, nothing special about Yamuna Bank. It's just that it's dirty, smelly, and it got black water. That's the only specialty. However, as of now, since summer is here, it's pretty good, beautiful. Just check the background as well. There's a running track where people keep jogging every now and then, early in the morning, evening. And also at the extreme corner, you'll see there's a beautiful like open space where people play crickets, and also the Nordic people, they usually go there for playing football like in the evening. And as you can see, people started jogging early in the morning. What's the time? Let me check. The time is 5:09 a.m. in the morning as of now, and it's so silent. If you want to get some peace of mind, refresh your mind, you can come to this park. I mean, like this Yamuna Bank. It's so refreshing. The wind is a little breezy. It's a little breezy right now. That gives you fresh air and a lot more size. Woo! Refreshing. Woo! My friend's up there. I'm fast as fuck, boy. 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 Here's my friend. Black nose on the mall. The so-called black nose on the mall. But girls like him just because of the nose. Because of the black mole on the nose, I mean. My bad. But you know, he's still single, ready to mingle. If any one of you find him attractive, handsome, tall, dark and handsome, he used to call himself. So just DM, or no DM, just comment down below, and I will make the arrangement for you. I will make the appointment for you, but I will be the side income. But I will get all the side incomes, because nowadays nothing is free, nothing comes for free, and that's why you need to pay some tips to me, man. Just kidding. Oh my god, but you know, it's so refreshing. Just look at the view, man. Just look at the view, bro. Check it out. And here you go. One and only the Ngatakit. Who wants to put up something on the table? You make life more better. Enjoy every moment you live. That's the kind of motto everyone should keep in your mind as a person. Or else there's no point. There's no point, you know, existing. You gotta create your own happiness. Do whatever makes you happy, and never try to give more attention to anyone else apart from your own peace of mind or your heart that's telling you to be happy, to do things that's right for you. Oh my god, I can't really believe this, man. My friends, you guys should come check it out, like early in the morning and also in the sunset, dashing down. Like I haven't experienced the sunset yet from this particular area, from this Yamuna Bank, but I'm pretty sure it will also, you know, give you some kind of peace of mind. Like I've been there in Darjeeling once, like just to see the sun. I think it's called the Tiger Hill. So likewise, you can also come here, experience the kind of happiness that you see after the nature. The view is, you know, I can really express, man. I can really express. But it's too beautiful. It's a moment I feel alive again after long days. And you know, right after I flight from Manipur to Delhi, like after I left Manipur, things have changed. It's been like more than 2 years, close to 3 years. I haven't been making any kind of content, but now that I'm back, you know, you guys can keep expecting the consistency, and also the contents will be better, and I'm sure that's for sure. Yeah, letting you all know that the type of content that I'm doing, like previously and this time, there might be a little, you know, a slight change. However, the strategy remains the same. Is to live happy, enjoy your life, and do things what makes you happy, but not bad things. Do things that makes you happy, but not bad things. Okay, so keep supporting like you always do, like you guys always do. And also, if you like the video, put a thumbs up on it, and subscribe to my channel. Like if you haven't subscribed it yet, I'll be the most happiest guy ever. And yeah, also try to click on bell icon so that you get notifications, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a content. Oh, it's tiresome, man. Whoa, hold up, man, my friend. Of course, I'm speak as fast. I'm speak as big.
Come on.
But see, unfortunately, forgettingly, I just jump off in the air, and from my pocket, my phone dropped down. So I got a missed call coming for a new phone with no budget. So what shall I do, guys? I'll need to get a new phone soon, very soon. and my friend just told me that he'll be sponsoring some amount. I really appreciate him as a friend, as a brother. He's a man of his words, so I'm sure the time I get new phone, he'll be excited too. And there's another, I don't know what this is. Is it a checkpost? Is it for security, or is it that someone is trying to run a shop here? Because the park is means like the running track is pretty long, and to get to that extreme corner, it's not easy. Like if you stroll, it might take at least 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, I would say. Oh my god, it's tiresome. See, you can see people jogging. Even them, they just didn't reach the extreme corner of this bank, the Yamuna Bank, because it's long enough to walk. It's a walkable distance, but it'll be tiresome. Aspo ludu na follow ka che ludu tamam there. We just took the wrong way. It's like Jekyll saying, oh my gosh, that'll be all for now. 2 months of talking. I'm sure you guys might be boring as well, so let me just wrap it up from here, and see ya. Pugo! Pune is waiting! Wait. Woo! Superman! Superman! What's up, man? See ya. That will be all for today. Boom.